Yes, children. Now, in our last module, we solved some numerical of our chapter, Dual Nature of Matter and Radiation. In continuation of that NCERT chapter, here again we are going to solve NCERT question number 11.7 of page number 407. Again you are coming here, open your NCERT book and solve the questions. See that what is that question, what is the things given here. A 100-watt sodium lamp radiates energy uniformly in all directions. It radiates light in all directions. So the lamp is located at the center of a large sphere. Suppose this is a large sphere and here is the lamp that absorbs all the sodium light which is incident on it. The wavelength of light is given, that is 589 nm. What do you mean by nm? Nm stands for nanometer. What is that? Nanometer. So I can write here 589 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay. What is the energy per photon associated with the sodium light? Energy of photon आपको निकालना है. You know very well the formula of energy of photon. E is equal to h nu, that is hc by lambda. That is our formula. Here this is P. So hc by lambda, that is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34. The velocity of light, sir, it is 3 into 10 raised to power 8. That is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by lambda. Lambda here it is 589 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Solve it. Then you can find out the value of energy, that is 3.38. That is 3.38 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. The unit of energy is joule. So we can write this. Again I am telling, remember formula. How you can remember? Write all the formulas on a single page. So you can calculate energy. At what rate are the photons delivered to the sphere? किस रेट से फोटोन स्फीयर को डिलीवर्ड हो रहा है? रेट एट विच द फोटॉन्स आर डिलीवर्ड, द रेट एट विच the photons are delivered, that is equal to P by E. That is P is given here. 100 watt sodium lamp. तो 100 divided by energy आपने कैलकुलेट किया है 3.38 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. So you can write here 100 divided by 3.38 into 10 raised to power minus 19 is here. Solve this or get the answer. This is the rate. That is around 2.96 into 10 raised to power 20 photons per second. एक सेकेंड में कितने फोटोन मिल रहे हैं? Imagine that. Such a huge amount of photon are released by this lamp. Now, is that clear? This calculation करने की स्पीड आपको बढ़ानी है आपकी. Such type of calculation you have to fast. Now, see the next question. 11.8. Question number 11.8 of same page number. Say it is of page number 408. Read the question carefully from your NCERT textbook and write the things which are given here. The threshold frequency for a certain metal that is nu naught is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. The light of frequency nu is equal to 8.2 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. Is incident on the metal. Predict the cutoff voltage for the photoelectric emission. Cutoff voltage निकालना है. For that you require also Planck constant and charge over electron. What is our formula? EV naught is equal to h nu minus h nu naught according to the Einstein photoelectric equation. So V naught is equal to h nu minus h nu naught divided by E. Use this formula and put the value. What you are getting? Dear children, write all the values you are having here. The value of h 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34. Charge of an electron, this is. So you can write here h nu minus nu naught divided by E. Put the value of h, that is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34. Nu is equal to 8.2 into 10 raised to power 14 minus nu naught is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to power 14 divided by E, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. Yes. Put all the values and solve it. Within a 2 or 3 minutes, you have to complete this numerical part, because all things are given. When you solve it, you get it the answer, that is around 2.03 volt. That is 2.03 volt. This is the answer here. Okay. Yes. Now come to the next question. 11.9. What is that? Read the question. 11.9 on same page number 408. The work function for a certain metal. आपको वर्क फंक्शन दिया हुआ है किसी मेटल का, जिसको आप फाई नोट भी लिखते हैं, डब्ल्यू भी लिखते हैं. तो वर्क फंक्शन दिया हुआ आपको से डब्ल्यू 4.2 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. Will this metal give photoelectric emission? For incident radiation of wavelength, लैम्डा आपको दिया हुआ है 330 नैनोमीटर. ये नैनोमीटर अगेन वही 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay. Now what we have to do? 4.2 electron volt convert into joule. If you want to convert electron volt into joule, we know very well. I have to multiply this by 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So multiply it 4.8 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. I know the formula work function, that is h nu naught is equal to w और phi naught भी लिखते हैं अपन. तो ये आ गया बच्चों न्यू नॉट बराबर that is w by h. Nu naught is equal to w by h. Put these values. What is w? 4.12 into 10 raised to power. इसको आप देखिए कितना आ रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई करिए. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई आप करेंगे तो you will get it. Here the value is 6.72 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. Put this value here. 6.72 into 10 raised to power minus 19. This is the value of W from there. And the Planck constant, that is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34. That is the value of Planck constant. Solve this. What you are getting? जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपके पास जो वैल्यू आएगी दैट इज 1.01 into 10 raised to power 15 hertz. This is the value here. Now, if you want to find out the wavelength here, lambda naught आपका lambda naught दिया हुआ आपको, तो lambda naught बराबर c by mu naught. Here, what we have to find out? Will this metal give photoelectric emission? Calculate this lambda naught first. Here that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8. Mu naught ये जो कैलकुलेट किया आपने 1.01 into 10 raised to power 15. सॉल्व करिए, इससे लैम्डा कितना आ रहा है और जो आपको दिया हुआ है 330 nm. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू हियर और कंपेयर करिए इससे. दैट इज 2.97 into 10 raised to power minus 7 मीटर. ये आ रहा है इससे 2.97 into 10 raised to power minus 7 मीटर. इसको नैनोमीटर में बदलना है तो यू कैन राइट 297 नैनोमीटर हियर बिकॉज 10 raised to power minus 9 होता है. तो वी कैन से हियर लैम्डा नॉट ये है आपके पास. तो व्हाट यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग हियर सिंस lambda naught is less than to that of lambda. This lambda naught is less than lambda. इससे कम आ रहा है. I mean to say that nu zero is greater than to that of nu. Nu naught is greater than to nu. So photoelectric emission for this radiation cannot take place. ये कम आ रही है वेवलेंथ से, given वेवलेंथ से. So photoelectric emissions cannot take place. Okay, write down here. Now come to the next question. Question number 10.11.10, 11 are the similar questions. You may solve it. Come to the question number 11.12. See the NCERT book again and question number 12. See the question number 12 here. 11.12. Open your NCERT book. Now dear children, that is 11.12 and read them carefully. The page number of this question is 408. Write the question. What are the things given here? Here I can say calculate the momentum. First you are going to find out momentum. Calculate the momentum and de Broglie wavelength. Second one is de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength. Okay? So see this. Potential difference आपको दिया है only 56 volt. Again, if you want to solve this question, आप लोगों को फॉर्मूला आना चाहिए. ओके, तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द मोमेंटम? मोमेंटम ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट इज P इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 MQV. This is our formula. Now, put all the values here. We are talking about for electrons. So, mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. And V दिया हुआ आपको 56. All the values are given, formulas given, but calculation is important. When you solve it, you will get it around 4.04 into 10 raised to the power 24. That is the value here. Kilogram meter per second. It is minus. Find out this value. Okay. Now, second one is, what is the de Broglie wavelength? We know the formula for electron for de Broglie wavelength. Lambda is equal to 12.27 divided by under root of V angstrom. That formula we have derived. So here 12.27 divided by 56. Then solve it. Put this value 56 here. Calculation is very, very important. From either here or from there. What you are getting? That is 1.64 angstrom. This is the answer. Questions are very easy, but calculations are very typical. The important thing is how to calculate it. Now, see the next question, 11.13. हो जाएगा? Or any doubt? So dear children, come to the next question. That is 11.13. Yes. 11.13. Same page number 408. What are the things given right here? Read the question. Think that what are the things given, and according to the given things, what is the formula appropriate here? Yes, see that. What is the momentum, speed and de Broglie wavelength lambda? तीन चीजें निकालनी है आपको. de Broglie wavelength of an electron with a kinetic energy दिया हुआ आपको only, that is 120 electron volt. एक चीज दी हुई केवल kinetic energy. Or we have to find out three things. First is momentum. Formula for the momentum is equal to twice of me. This is our formula. This is 120 eV. Okay? So you can write here. See that. 120 eV convert into joule. 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. Solve this. What you are getting here? Put this over twice into mass of the electron. Here you can write 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 into E. That is 120 into 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. Here. Solve this. what you are getting? Solve this 1 point, put these values here, write this, so we can write there. So we are getting here under root of 3.49 into 10 raised to power minus 17, and then take under root here. That will be get 5.91. सॉल्व करिए इसको तो आपके पास आएगा 5.91 into 10 raised to power minus 24. 10 raised to power minus 24 kilogram meter per second. This is the answer here. Here it is the kinetic energy. This is. What is the speed here? Speed v बराबर p by m. मोमेंटम आपने निकाल लिया है. That is 5.91 into 10 raised to power minus 24 divided by 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Second thing जो आपको निकालनी है, that is speed. Again the calculation part is important. Here. सॉल्व करिए, क्या आंसर आ रहा बताइए यहां पर. So dear children, when you are solved it, you will get 6.5 into 10 raised to power 6. 6.5 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. This is the answer here. 6.5 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. You will get this. Then one more thing we have to find out, de Broglie wavelength. So de Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h by p. 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by p. 5.91 into 10 raised to power minus 24 here. h और p दोनों रख दिया अपन ने. When you solve it, you will get 1.12 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. That is 1.12 angstrom आंसर आ जाएगा ये. This is the value here. देखिए बच्चों, if you know the formula, put the values. The important part is that is how to solve it. That is your mathematics part. Okay, do it. Yes. Now, see the next question. See the next question. That is 11.14. Of same page number, the wavelength of light from the spectral emission of sodium. Again sodium lamp दिया हुआ है, that is 589 nm. 589 nm nanometer. Find the kinetic energy. Find the kinetic energy at which an electron and a neutron would have the same de Broglie wavelength. दोनों की de Broglie wavelength is same. Then we can say here. Okay. Now solve this question. What we have to do? For an electron, I know. For an electron, what is the energy? Wavelength का फॉर्मूला हमको पता है. लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h divided by 2me into e. This is our formula. h upon p. लैम्डा बराबर h upon p होता है. This is the formula for momentum. So E comes out to be h square divided by, दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर कर लीजिए आप, twice of m e lambda square. This is the result. This is the formula here. Okay, now put the values. 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 का whole square divided by twice of mass of electron. Mass of electron, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 into lambda. लैम्डा आपको दिया हो 589 into 10 raised to power minus 9, क्योंकि नैनोमीटर है ये. This is square here. So put is this. Solve करिए इसको. What we are getting? When you solve this, you will get it 6.95 into 10 raised to power minus 25 joule here. This is the answer. For a neutron, ये हमने निकाला इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए. For a neutron, formula is again same. E is equal to h square divided by twice of mass of neutron into lambda square. Again put the same value. H square 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 का whole square divided by twice of mass of neutron. Who knows? Mass of neutron is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27. 1.67 minus 27 into lambda. 589 into 10 raised to power minus 9 का whole square. So that is 3.79 into 10 raised to power minus 28 joule. This is the answer. Again I am telling, the best part is to solve the numerical calculation. Otherwise all the things are given here. Okay? Do it. Now, so today, all about this module. Still we have some more numerical problems of this chapter. We'll do in our next module. Bye.